Anyone may benefit from learning how to save money, particularly if they can do it quickly. Start saving money now for a variety of reasons. Perhaps you were unexpectedly hit with an unexpected cut, or perhaps your friends simply extended an invitation to take the vacation of a lifetime. You may also need to save enough for a down payment if you want to purchase a property. Even merely attempting to increase your emergency fund might help you be better prepared for any unforeseen costs. There are several methods to reduce costs, no matter what's your motivation. Hello everyone, and welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about the 18 best ways to budget and save money. Personal finance. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with number 1. Stop paying for convenience. The American manner of paying for convenience is this. People will spend $5 on a taco that costs less than $1 to cook at home. Instead of brewing an entire pot of coffee at home for a few cents, they spend $6 on a cup of coffee at a nearby cafe. Making your own meals, brewing your own coffee, and fixing things around the house can quickly add up to extra money in your bank account. Number 2. Create a shopping list. Before leaving, make a list of all the groceries you need to buy. By doing this, you may avoid making impulsive purchases and ensure that you only buy what you really need. This is one of the best ways to budget and save money. You should list all of your needs for the next week. You'll be less inclined to buy something you don't really need if you shop less often. Plan to go shopping for no more than an hour and attempt to shop quickly. You won't waste time roaming around picking up items that appeal to you if you do it this way. Plan to go shopping right after you eat as well. Shopping when stuff will make everything seem less inviting. Number 3. Downgrade your internet, phone, and cable. These 3 services cost most households a significant amount of money each month. Over the course of a month or two, keep track of your use and assess what you truly need and what you can trim. Really? What's any premium channels at all? Does your landline phone do anything but gather dust? If you use the internet to check your email and Facebook, how fast does it need to be? Looking around and locating a less expensive provider does pay off. Number 4. Cancel paid memberships, subscriptions, and services. Do you have a magazine subscription that you have never read? Paying for a service that delivers goods but you barely ever use it? When was the last time you really showed up if you belong to a gym? Paid services, memberships, and subscriptions may add up quickly. Make a note of all the ones you now own and consider if you really need them. The moment to cancel is probably now if the response is no. Number 5. Track your spending and make a budget. The best way to find areas where you may save money is to keep track of your expenditures. You just need to keep track of your expenditures for 1 month to have a clear picture of where your money is going. You can create a realistic budget and then adhere to it after you've determined where your money is going and where you may cut down. This is a pretty easy thing to accomplish and a great way to manage your expenses. Number 6. Eliminate your debt. You are squandering money if you have credit card debt. Your primary objective should be to pay off your debt and release yourself from those exorbitant interest rates. However, it is challenging that may be. The remaining advice in this list should assist you in keeping more of your money, which you can then use to pay down your debts. Number 7. Every payday, automate savings transfers. Scheduling regular transfers to your savings account might be a tremendous assistance if you find it difficult to develop a saving habit. There is less temptation to spend money when you have a certain percentage of your income put automatically into your savings account each payday. You can also readily see your account balance increase over time. Review your spending plan. Decide on a recurring amount and then set up automatic savings. Number 8. Discuss your bills. You may not be able to make any adjustments to certain of your payments, such as your rent or mortgage payment, but you might be able to with others. For instance, you may be able to get a better bargain on your mobile phone plan or auto insurance. It might take some time to do some research to locate cheaper rates, but if you end up saving money, the effort will be worthwhile. Number 9. Set up automatic payments for bills. With your busy lives and busy schedules, it's not uncommon to forget to pay some bills on time. An easy way to save money is to simply pay your bills when they are due. Companies typically charge a late fee for any balances that are overdue. And while it may just be a few bucks here and there, these fees quickly add up, especially if you pay multiple bills late. So set up automatic payments for bills to ensure that they are paid on time and to avoid any late fees. It's also important to keep an eye on your bank account balance to avoid overdrafts and accumulate additional fees. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's continue to the next. Number 10. Use only cash. Take a little amount of money from your bank account, just enough to get you through a few weeks, and then put your credit cards away. In essence, you can only withdraw a certain amount before it starts to decrease. Each dollar you physically spend will push you to spend intentionally, since we are more motivated by loss than by gain. Number 11. Think about relocating. If you were to relocate only 15 to 20 minutes outside of the neighborhood, your mortgage or rent may be 2 to 3 times what it would be if you didn't reside in the downtown core. Downsizing your house or moving to a region with a cheaper cost of living might put hundreds to thousands of dollars in your pocket each month. Obviously, there may be some obstacles in your way, but if relocation is a possibility for you, it may be well worth thinking about. Number 12. Stop your bad habits. Most individuals find it difficult to stop taking drugs, smoking, drinking, or overeating. Yet, these behaviors cost you more than simply the expense of your vice. Your health will improve, your insurance costs will go down, and you'll save a surprisingly large sum of money if you stop bad behaviors. It should be stopped right away. It's not the best ways to budget and save money. Number 13. When you replace something old, buy something new. If you often purchase items just because they are on sale or for no other reason, it may be time to quit because you are squandering money. You're putting up an active barrier if you make it a rule that whatever you purchase must be a replacement for something you already own. Consider how many of them you currently have and how many you need before making a purchase. Then, reconsider if you really need a new one. Many of us are deterred from purchasing new items by the psychology of having to organize our wardrobes. Choose what to donate and get it to the closest charitable organization or trash can. Number 14. Use the 30-day rule. The 30-day rule is a straightforward strategy for reducing impulsive spending. This is how it goes. Force yourself to resist the impulse to spend money whenever it arises. Whether it be on new clothes, a new phone, or a new vehicle, put the object back if you're holding it already. Exit the shop, write down the item, the shop where you found it, and the price on a piece of paper when you return home. Note the date as well. Post this reminder someplace prominent, like a calendar, the refrigerator, or a notice board. You will always be reminded that this is considered if you really desire and need the thing for the next 30 days. Consider buying it if the need persists after the 30-day period. It is remarkably effective for being so simple. The 30-day rule is particularly effective since you aren't really depriving yourself, rather, you're postponing satisfaction. Another benefit of this rule is that it provides you with time to do your research on the object. One of the best ways to budget and save money is by using this approach. Number 15. Spend the time comparing prices. This advice complements the prior point. The retail sector relies heavily on impulsive deals that tempt you to buy something right now. Although certain doorbuster sales could be worthwhile, you're usually better off taking your time and comparing costs with different merchants. Along with the item's basic price, you should also take into account any delivery fees, discount coupons, and other discounts. Additionally, you can even discover that you don't need the thing you're trying to purchase when comparison shopping. Number 16. Make money out of trash. Selling items you no longer need is another option to earn additional money. Find anything you can sell on eBay or Craigslist, such as designer clothing you don't wear, devices you don't use, outdated books, or anything else. Determine the value of your item so you can earn a fair price and remain safe by adhering to recommended practices, such as meeting buyers in a public area. Number 17. Increase your income by using a skill you already possess. Most individuals just consider cost savings. This often results in reading foolish articles online that appear to just provide absurd advice on how to save money. We overlook the most potent opportunity of all, the potential for increasing our income. Try negotiating your pay at work, taking on a second job, or doing freelance work in an area where you excel. Number 18. The fear of missing out should be avoided. Your preferred social networking platform could be quite addicting and provide a wealth of helpful information. However, they could also trigger a fear of missing out. Numerous articles have undoubtedly been published that, whether on purpose or not, make you feel bad about what you don't do. For instance, what you should do in your 20s or 30s, when to purchase a home or automobile, and which luxury items you absolutely must own, and so forth. Do you truly want to do or purchase those things? Alternatively, are you crossing things off of someone else's bucket list? Make a list of your own objectives. Give the rest up and concentrate on them. You'll be astonished at how quickly your savings account fills up with this additional money. Saving money is simpler than you would think. Making even simple modifications may result in huge financial savings. And the greatest thing is that, in addition to learning to appreciate money, saving will teach you which tactics work best for you, so you may apply them again in the future. Alternatively, maybe you'll continue to save money so that you'll always have enough cash in hand to handle whatever costs arise. In the end, having a little surplus in your savings account might provide you with the stability and assurance you need to enjoy life. How do you feel? Are these the best ways to budget and save money? What further smart financial strategies exist? We've reached the end of another video, and I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.